Hello everyone, welcome to Bhadra IAS online Nagaland Civil Service Preparation. Today we are going to discuss an important topic under economic subject. It is called NITI Aayog. So in this topic I am going to discuss very quick facts about NITI for your prelims preparation point of view. So the first thing to understand, what is the full form of NITI? It is the National Institution for Transforming India, Ayog, and the important thing for your exam point of view is that when was it established? So NITI was established on 1st January 2015. Okay, 1st January 2015. And what type of body is NITI Aayog? Is it a constitutional body? Is it a statutory body? No, it is just an advisory body established by the Prime Minister through the resolution of the Parliament. It is not appointed by the President of India. Clear? So for your exam, you have to keep certain basic facts in mind. The next point to understand, what are the main functions of NITI? Number one, to foster cooperative federalism. It simply means center and state working together for development of India. NITI has to promote that. Number two, act as a resource center and knowledge hub where NITI undertakes research on various problems and issues affecting India. Number three, design various policies and programs for development of India. And number four, monitor and evaluate all the programs that are running in India. These are the four important functions of NITI. You might get this also in prelims. Now the important thing which normally comes in exams, civil service kind of exams, is the composition of NITI Aayog. When you say composition, we have the vice chairman, okay, the chairman, vice chairman, CEO, full-time members, then we have part-time members, we have ex officio member, we have a special invitees, we have a governing council. All these things together becomes what we call the overall composition of NITI. So now let us look at one by one. The first one we need to understand is who is the chairperson of NITI Aayog. So the chairperson of NITI Aayog is always the Prime Minister. It is called ex officio post. What is the meaning of that? Whoever becomes the Prime Minister will become the chairman of NITI. Then we have the vice chairman of NITI, Suman Berry, and we have CEO, that is BVR Subramaniam. Okay. In addition, we have 4 people who are appointed as full-time members of NITI. So we have a Dr. V.K. Saraswat, Professor Ramesh Chand, Dr. V.K. Paul, and then we have Arvind Virmani, he is from economics background. Okay. So these 4 are called the full-time members of NITI. Okay. Then if you look at it, we have certain ex officio members. So what do you mean by ex officio members? These are all ministers of the central government who are holding 4 important posts. Who are they? So if you look at the number 1, it is the Ministry of Finance. Number 2, Ministry of Home Affairs. Number 3, Ministry of Defense. And number 4, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. So if you look at here, these are the 4 people. So we have the Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, then we have a Home Minister Amit Shah, Defense Minister Rajnath, then we have a Agricultural Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, right? So now these 4 are what we call ex officio members of NITI Aayog. So they attend the NITI Governing Council meeting by default. Now important thing, which is also technical thing to understand, is the composition of Governing Council part of NITI. The Governing Council is a permanent body of NITI which has representatives from central government and state government. So from the state government, the representatives are Chief Minister of the state if the state has an assembly. If the state does not have an assembly, it is called a UT state. In that case, what will happen? The Lieutenant Governor of the state. Okay. So the Lieutenant Governor of the state will represent the state, okay, in the Governing Council. From the central government, we have representatives, the chairman, then the vice chairman, CEO, full-time members. Then we have a ex officio member and the special invitees. There are 11 people who are nominated and invited by the Prime Minister. So all these together becomes what we call governing council. So far we had about 10 governing council meetings by NITI, which basically reflects on the development of our country. Okay, so this topic you might get in prelims, so prepare it well. Another important thing for Northeast, okay, including Nagaland, the Northeast, we have a one forum. It is called NITI Forum for Northeast. It is a special forum set up by the government only for Northeast. Okay, so this NITI Forum for Northeast was established when it was established in February 2018. So if you see here, the NITI Forum for Northeast was established in February 2018. Now, whenever the meeting takes place for the NITI Forum of Northeast, there are two co-chairpersons. Okay, the governing council is chaired by Prime Minister, but the NITI Forum for Northeast is co-chaired. That means there will be two chairpersons. Number one, we have the vice chairman of NITI, who will be the chairperson. And number two, we have a Minister of State from the donor ministry, that is the Ministry of Development of Northeastern region. So these two together will become the chairpersons of the NITI Forum for Northeast. Okay, so when you prepare for your preparation for the Nagaland civil service, you have to keep in mind NITI Aayog is an important topic for exam preparation, and this kind of questions might come for your prelims exam. Clear? So if you have any further query or you need any more information, you can contact us at 8638391721 and keep following our videos. I will give you more topics of economics for your exam preparation. Thank you.